Juniper berry. We love this essential oil. Juniper berry is used in a lot of arthritis products because juniper is almost specific to helping relieve arthritis pain. We use juniper berry in our smooth joints arthritis formula. But when it comes to using juniper berry in your diffuser, we would do a few other things and go other places because we're not going to be treating our arthritis by using this in a diffuser. We're looking more for the aroma and how the aroma makes you feel when you're using it in a diffuser. So juniper berry is like a warm, woody smell. It's soothing and it's calming, and it's wonderful to blend with a few other oils. Let's see. So juniper berry and lavender. Well, of course, everything blends with lavender. So mix lavender with anything and it's going to smell amazing. These two are going to be a calming and soothing blend together. Juniper berry also blends beautifully with frankincense, and juniper and frankincense would be a little spicier. Frankincense would be adding a little spice to that kind of woody note that juniper is. And all three of these together, if you were to combine lavender and frankincense and juniper berry, would be an absolutely beautiful blend, which is probably what I'm going to be putting in my diffuser. I also grabbed these two to show you that because juniper berry is a berry from a tree, all trees blend with other trees. So you could combine it beautifully with a fir balsam or a black spruce. So remember, fruits easily combine with other fruits. Trees love other trees. So frankincense is the resin of a tree, and lavender blends with everything. So in this diffuser blend today, we're going to be adding juniper berry, lavender, and frankincense. So I'm starting with the juniper berry, and I'm going to put 2 drops of the juniper berry in here. 1, 2. I'm going to add lavender. I'm going to add 3 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3. And then for frankincense, because frankincense is really strong, always when you get to the strong essential oils, don't add very much. You only need 1 drop to do a lot. So in this blend, I would add 1 drop of frankincense. 1. And then the smell on this is going to be amazing. Wait till it comes up. You get the softness of the lavender, the higher note, the woodiness of the juniper berry, and the spiciness of the frankincense. Absolutely gorgeous. If you put it in a massage oil, juniper berry, frankincense, and rosemary, juniper berry, lavender, and frankincense, it'd be very soothing to your achy joints and very anti-inflammatory and good for the body if it aches. I'm Joanne from Soulful Sister Aromatherapy, and I hope you enjoyed this little info on juniper berry.